In this video, we will learn how to find out frequency by using Python 3. See the Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet, we have got the variables gender, city, education level, position, sector. We have got approximately 550 entries. And we do not know how many are male, how many are female. We do not know how many are from Mumbai, Bangalore, Ahmedabad. We do not know what is the frequency of their education level, what is their position, how many are there from which position, and which are from which sector. We will use the Python commands. We will take up this file in the editor Jupyter with Python 3, and then we will count it. I have already launched Jupyter. First I launched Anaconda. From the Anaconda I picked up Jupyter, and then I have clicked this Python 3. My first command is, as usual, I am going to use import pandas as PD. Then I am going to read the file. My file is in Excel. It is in my folder, which I have created for this purpose as 6 Python. So my df is equal to, this is a kind of array in which I am going to load the file, is equal to td dot read Excel, and instead of double slashes I am going to use R, easy for me. Then in inverted commas E, this is my directory, and 6 Python test 3, which is my file's name, xlsx, commas closed, and then I will see whether this works or not. So this file has been loaded, and this has got the variables gender, city, education level, position, sector. Now I am going to create another variable df1, where my df variable, say city, variable city, and I am going to write the command value underscore counts. So then I will see whether this df1, what is that df1 comes out. So let me run it, this portion. So my all frequencies have been calculated. Mumbai 263, Delhi 125, Bangalore 54, Chennai 53, blah. But I want that it should be in percentage. So what I am going to write within the bracket, after value counts, within brackets, normalize is equal to true. Let me run it. Let me run it and see df1 is coming as percentage. Now I want that it should be in percentage, but I can also write it as round 2. That is rounding up to 2, round 2. So I can dot round, it will be rounded up to decimals. Run. Now I can further, here, after normalize is true, I can further make it ascending order. I will write it here, ascending equal to 2. 2 should be in capital letters. It is there. Let us see how it comes. It is rounded up but now Guwahati, Hyderabad, no. This has come, this ascending order means the number which has got the lowest one, the percentage, which is the lowest percentage will come first, and then rest of them. But I want it should be alphabetically written, so I can write it out here. After this ascending order is also there, then after this I can write sort underscore index. So it will be alphabetically. So Ahmedabad first, Bangalore first. Now this has overwritten this ascending the percentage wise. So I can use this. Now I don't want this percentages normalization. I don't want. So I'm just going to say it as ascending. So it will be done here, and it is coming as Ahmedabad. It is actual. Now I want in which city, say for instance Ahmedabad, how many males are there, how many females are there? Bangalore, how many males are there, how many females are there? So I'll just put it here, comma, gender. I'll just put it just like gender. And all other things I'll keep it, value counts, setting is true. Around 2 there is no need, because now it is actual frequencies, there is no need. So you can just delete it. Sort index, that you can keep it. So let us see. It should be in two square brackets. So let us run it. So it is coming as Ahmedabad male 17, from Bengaluru female 15, male 39, from Chandigarh only male 11, Chennai female 3, male 50. So like this we can see. Now we can save this file df1 into an Excel sheet. This is the new command which you are going to learn. So df1 to Excel. Now I will have to give the path. Which path this is coming as? So let me copy this, because I am going to copy this one only, but only my next file will be, instead of a ts3, because it will not be allowed in this, to say paste it here, but I will write it here as test4. So this one is R will go bit outside, and this is. So let us see whether this goes to test4 or not. So I'll run it. Let us see my test4 file. I'll find the folder, my 6 Python test4 is there. This is saved. Now this is city, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, this male, female, everything has been saved in Excel. You can work on this. Here you can write down the frequency. In my next videos, coming videos, I'll tell you how to write down this frequency. This is how to write this frequency. Instead of 0, should be written as frequency. In the coming videos, we will discuss. This video. First one is df1. I am getting another array. So there are two variables, city and gender, but they will be in 2 square brackets. Value counts. So you can have one number, one variable, or you can have 2 variables, many variables. So it is another way of cross tabs. And then the actual command is value underscore counts. Ascending is true, which will give the numbers which are lowest frequency wise and higher this. And but you can sort these Ahmedabad, Bengaluru and all that, you can put it as sort index. So these are the commands. Then next we have learned how you can export your file, this df1 which you have created, that you can export it. The command is to underscore Excel. See, when you want that it should come, it should read. So it should be read Excel, read underscore Excel. But if you want that it should go to Excel, it is just simply to underscore. Thanks for watching. We will discuss more issues. Next video is descriptive statistics. Then further, now we will go on learning the data analysis techniques at the higher level. We have almost finished with the descriptive statistics, except in the next video where we are going to find out everything with one command. And then we are going to learn the further data analysis technique. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Basically lack the research methodology and understanding of research methodology and how to proceed further. So that is the major area of concern, I think, as a director I do feel, or as a guide I do feel. So we have to start from the scratch, though they asked to do their 1 year coursework, but that since it is not the residential program, and they are allowed to work as well, and they do come to do the PhD, so they also have their own constraint. All these things are making their PhD work little substandard. So understanding about the subject, yes, it comes slowly once they understood their area of the choice and help of guide. Ultimately, we have to push them ahead a lot. We have to do a lot of hard work, and we do not get much support from the students, I would say, initially. Yes.
You may submit your research work at Journal of Global Economy, rcssindia.org. Your work is evaluated by peers with double-blind methodology. You will get comments for your work. Thank you.